Nobody wakes up thinking, I want to spend my life drawing kids' pages, fixing layouts, rewriting stories, and guessing if parents will buy. But what if each kid's ebook, audiobook, or video series pays hundreds of dollars every single day? Not just that, but what if you could generate hundreds of those products with a single click? Imagine just entering one keyword and in seconds, you have high quality, ultra realistic, and actual beneficial products that sell like hotcakes. On Shopify, Etsy, Amazon, eBay, or even just on Facebook. Well, that's no longer a dream, my friend. Here's the truth. Kids' products were never hard because they needed creativity. They were hard because the process punished normal people. Too many steps and skills. Too many chances to mess up in a market where trust matters more than speed. That friction slowed everything down. Now, imagine the opposite. Picture a world where one simple kid's idea doesn't stop at a sketch or a half-finished file, but instantly expands into something complete, calm, and sellable, without asking you to become a writer, an artist, an editor, or a project manager. That world already exists. The shift happened when AI stopped generating pieces and started handling the entire flow. Because once AI app understands how kids' products should feel to parents, how they should sound at bedtime, and how they should look when opened for the first time, the work no longer needs to live on your shoulders. One idea turns into a full coloring book that feels planned, not random. The same idea becomes an activity and puzzle book that actually keeps kids busy. That idea grows into a warm story parents feel comfortable reading at night. Then audio appears so parents can press play instead of pushing themselves. Then animation brings it all together in a way that feels modern, not gimmicky. Nothing feels stitched together, and everything feels intentional. That's the difference
KidzStudio AI
creates. This isn't software that helps you create. It removes the parts of creation that never needed your time in the first place. Parents don't buy kids' products because someone worked hard on them. They buy because something feels safe, thoughtful, and right for their child.
KidzStudio AI
is built around that reality. Clean visuals reduce hesitation. Simple language builds trust. Matching formats create comfort. Consistency does the convincing. And here's why this matters more than most opportunities you've seen. Kids' products don't rely on trends. They don't depend on algorithms. They don't crash when attention moves elsewhere. Parents exist everywhere. Needs repeat every year. Demand renews itself quietly and consistently. The only reason more people aren't benefiting from this market is because entry used to be exhausting. That barrier is gone. Parents turn ideas into meaningful products instead of unfinished notes. Beginners skip years of confusion and launch real kids packs. Online sellers add a stable category instead of chasing volatility. Busy people find building something without sacrificing nights and weekends. Leverage replaces effort. One idea becomes many products become a pack. Packs increase value without increasing work. That's not marketing talk, that's the structure. Trying something new should never feel like a gamble, and confidence shouldn't require pressure. That's why
KidzStudio AI
comes with a clear 30-day money-back guarantee. Use it fully, generate real kids packs, and explore every format. If clarity doesn't replace doubt, you get your money back. No explanations, resistance, or awkward emails. A strong AI app doesn't need persuasion. They let results speak.
KidzStudio AI
isn't for people who enjoy doing everything the hard way. It's for people who value outcomes, simplicity, and calm progress. Once you watch a single kid's idea turn into something complete and ready, the old way stops making sense. That moment is usually quiet, but it's also permanent. And for many people, it's exactly what's been missing all along.
So click below, activate
KidzStudio AI
today, and start generating ready-to-sell kids contents like never before.